Placing a logo in the top right corner can be frustrating because Word usually treat images like text, causing your header or margin to jump around. The trick is to use layout option to detach the image from the text flow. So for this you need to click on the insert and click on the header and click on the edit header. Your header section will be activated. Now again go to the insert, click on the picture, click on this device and select the logo from your computer device, and now click on this layout option and click on this in front of text. Now you can resize it and move it anywhere on the header section. So you can place it right corner of the MS Word. If you want to change the color of your logo, then click on the picture format and click on the color options. And here you can select the different color options. Which one you like, you can select it and just like this one. So this way you can easily put logo in the top right corner of the MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.